Here we have some assignment questions. An algebraic expression containing three terms is called. If an algebraic expression is with the three terms, for example, 5x plus 2y plus 7. Three terms, 1, 2, 3. It is called as trinomial. Yes, it is called as trinomial. So the answer is trinomial. So the answer is trinomial. Next one, number of terms in the expression 3x square y minus 2y square z minus z square x plus y. How many terms are there? First write the expression 3x square y, 2y square z minus zx square plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many terms we have? It is 4 terms. Okay, the next one. The terms of expressions 4x square minus 3xy. Name that what are the terms we have. See 4x square and 3xy. So 4x square is one term and minus 3xy. Always it is minus. Don't forget to write the minus. So these are the two terms we have. So if so, the first option is correct one. Okay. And then the second one, fourth one, factors of minus 5x square y z. 5 is one factor and x square can be written as x into x, y can be written as y into y, and z we have only one. X into x, if you multiply only you will get x square, y into y, if you multiply only we will get y square. So this is the option where we have this option and it is with minus also. So 5xyy. So this is your third one. C is your answer. Coefficient of x. See here it is asked in minus x y squared z coefficient of y. So cut the x minus 9y square z. Why do we need to cut the x mean? They asked the coefficient of x. So leave the x variable, remaining all the terms we need to write. So the answer is minus also we need to write. So minus xy square z. D is the answer. Next one, which of the following is a pair of like terms? Like term means it should have same variable in all the terms. If not, we can say it should have same factors. If so, first option minus 7xy square z minus 7xy square z. But here x square yz is here. Square is for y here. But here for x, so this is not. Option A is not correct. Minus 10xy z square 3xyz square x numbers should not be same, only the variables only should be same, y z square, then definitely B is going to be the answer. Even then we will check out the remaining options also. See 3xy and 3x square yz square, it is not, and 4xyz square also it will not be, because the square is given to z here, here the square is given to x, so it is not. And can we use the operations multiplication and division to combine the terms? To combine means we can say it is addition or subtraction, means simplifying. 4x plus 3x. I am just adding. I am going to combine this. Then first add the coefficient alone. The coefficient is 4 and 3. So 7x. So when it is with a plus sign, we are able to combine. Okay. Same way 4x minus 3x I am giving. Okay. Now subtract. Coefficient is 4. Coefficient is 3. 4 minus 3, 1x is nothing but x. So when it is a plus and minus sign, we are able to combine. Is it not possible in multiplication and division? See, I am just multiplying. 4 3s are 12. X into x becomes x square. In the previous question also 5 into x means it is 5x square we have written. Could you remember? So the term we are getting, a new term we are getting when we multiply these terms, we are getting a new term called 12x square. Same way, I am going to divide 4x by 3. X and x will get cancelled and 4 by 3. I am just getting the numerical expression here. So this is not possible. We cannot combine the term in the case of multiplication addition. So we can conclude that We can use addition and subtraction to combine terms. If we use multiplication and division to combine, then it became a single term, isn't it? See, in the previous example, 4 3s are 12x square we got, isn't it? So it will become single term. And identify the like terms. What is the condition for the like term? It should have the same variable, if not same factors, isn't it? So 7xy minus 19x 5y. First write the 7x terms alone. Where we have here 7x we have, and next 3yx or xy both are same, and xy terms 12xy and 15xy, and that's it. So these are all xy terms. We have grouped the xy terms. Next take the x terms alone. So 9x and only x, and this is your question and this is your answer. Okay, and 6x is a like term, and minus 9x. See, don't see the coefficient. It should not be same. Only the variable should be same. 9x and 23x. These are all like term. Previously we saw it as xy terms. Now we have finished x terms. Now take the y terms. 5y minus 13y. 12xy we should not take because it is with the x also. Should not take. 16y and 15xy also we should not take. Minus 8y. Don't forget to mark comma. And minus y. These are the y terms. Okay. Next, the last one is only the numerical. 1, 15, minus 5, and 23, and 11. These are all only the numbers. Okay. This is how we can make it as a like term. Next one, fill in the blanks. The variable in the expression 16x minus 7. What is variable? What is mean variable? A alphabet from A to Z is called as a variable. If so, in the given expression 16x minus 7. What is the variable? X. So x is the variable. Next, the constant term. Constant term means without the variable number should be there. If so, which one? 6. Is it 6? No. Say with the sign. It is minus 6. Okay. Next one. In the expression 25m plus 14n, the type of the term, which type of the term it is? Means whether it is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. First, to know that, count the number of terms in the algebraic expression. It is 25 one term and 14x another term. We have two terms, so it is binomial. Binomial. So we can write it as a binomial here. Okay, next fourth one. The number of terms in the expression. How many terms are there? 3ab plus 4c minus 9. One term, two term, three term. So it is three terms. The previous one they asked the type. So it is binomial. But here they asked number of terms. We have only three terms. Next one. The numerical coefficient of x, y. There is no number but they are asking the numerical coefficient means what we have to take? It is 1. Why we have to take 1 means when you multiply the x and y by 1 means it will not change the given number. So we can take the numerical coefficient as 1. So the answer is 1. And now say true or false. X plus minus of x is equal to 0. The given algebraic equation is correct. See here, it is with the bracket. So first we need to remove the bracket. Plus into minus, when you multiply, it becomes minus. 1 plus x, 1 minus x is there means we can cancel. So you'll get the answer as a 0. So it is true. Second one, the coefficient of AB in the term 15ABC. Now they are asking the coefficient of AB means strike out the ABC. We will get 15C only. But it is given only 15. So it is false. 2PQ and minus 7PQ are like terms. To confuse you, the variables are interchanged and given. In the previous example, to write the like term also, I have taken. Could you remember? 15xy is given and 3xyx also it is given. I have written in xy term. Could you remember? Same way, when the variables are interchanged also, we can say it is a like term. But anywhere square is there mean it is not a like term. Only the variables are interchanged. If so 2pq and minus 7qp or like terms, it is true. When y is equal to minus 1, so the value of y is given as a 1, find the value of the expression 2y minus 1 we need to find. So write the 2 as it is. It is in multiplication, its meaning xy means x into y, 2y means 2 into y. So minus 1 you write, and this minus 1 is already given in the question. 2 ones are minus 2 and already 1 minus is here. Next, if so, both are minus number, add and give minus sign. So the answer is minus 3, but it is given plus 3. So it is false. This is how you can find. And find the numerical coefficient. This is so easy. Only the numerical coefficient only we need to find. The questions are minus 3yx and 12k, only y, 121 bc minus x. First we will finish this. What is the numerical coefficient? Minus 3. Don't forget to write the negative sign. And the numerical coefficient of 12k is 12, and there is no number means take it as a 1, and for this it is 121, and for this there is no number but x is in minus, so minus 1. Okay, this is how. And the next one, 9pq and 2ab, numerical only it is asked, so 9 and 2. They didn't ask the coefficient of b. Like the dental, they didn't ask, only the numerical only it is asked, so it is so easy. And next, write the variable, constant and terms. See, all the questions are based on the parts of algebraic expression. Once you are thorough with these parts of algebraic expression, we can solve all the sort of questions. See, nothing. It is given 18 plus x minus y. You need to write the variable. First, make it as a tabular column. What are the variables we have in this algebraic expression? X and minus y. Okay, if not only alphabet, you need not to mention with a minus, only the numbers alone. So 18 plus x minus y. The variables we have here is x and y variable. And next, constant they asked. What constant means? Number. What constant is here? 18. And the terms, 18 is one term, x is one term, and minus y. When we are mentioning the term alone, we should mention with the minus. But when you are writing the variable, it is not mandatory to write with the sign. But when you are mentioning, when you are representing the term, we need to represent with the negative sign. So these are the variable, constant and terms in 18 plus x minus y. And the next question is 7p minus 4q plus 5. First tell me what are the variables used here? P and q. Yes, it is correct. And next, what are the constant is here? These numbers we should not say because these are all coefficient. We should not say that. Only the constant mean it is 5. And now terms. What are the terms we have? 7p is one term and minus 4q is another term and plus 5 is another term. And now 29x plus 13y. Here also what are the variables we used here? X and y variables we used, and a constant. These numbers are coefficient. Don't get confusion between the constant and the coefficient. There is no constant at all here. So just we can write it as a 0 like this. And the terms, 29x is one term. When you are representing the terms, just mark it with a comma to differentiate it. 13y. These are the terms. The last question, b plus 2. What is variable here? Only b is the variable. What is constant here? We can write the constant. This is only the number. So it is 2. And what are the terms we have? B is one term and 2 is another term. In this way we can write. And this is your assignment. You can write now numerical coefficient and coefficient of p, coefficient of q. Okay. In minus 12 pqr, What is numerical coefficient? Minus 12. And what is coefficient of P? Means cut that minus 12Q or minus 12 Q or cut the Q. So minus 12 P or 12 P or. The next one, PQ is given. Numerical coefficient can be written as 1 and coefficient of P means write the Q because you cut the P, only Q remains. Coefficient of Q they are asking, cut the Q and write the P. Okay, next question, 145 QR. The numerical value is 145 and QR, no. Now they asked coefficient of P. Whether we have P term variable here? No, it is not possible we can write. Not possible. And the third one, coefficient of Q. Cut the Q, 145 R. So 145 R. This is how we can find. And find the numerical coefficient. This is also so easy. Only the numerical only it is asked. Minus 3yx. What is the numerical here? Numerical coefficient minus 3. Don't forget to write the sign. 12k. It is 12. Y is 1. Already we have learnt now. It's repeated. These are all we have learnt it. Yeah. Identify the like terms. So 7x. What are the with the 7x? What are the numbers we have? 7x minus 8x. See only the variables alone. It should be same. Minus 12x. This is one type of variable. Like terms. Another one 5y. I am going to take and write only the y terms now. 5y. If you want you can make the tabular column like this. 12y minus 9y. Don't forget to mark comma. These are all y terms now. See everywhere y, x. Next I'm going to write z terms. What are the z terms we have? 6z and only z, 11z. So these are all the z terms. Next. This is also finding the value. Same values of x and y is given. We need to solve these one now. So 2x minus 3y we have to find. What is the value of x here? It is 2. It is 2. See, it is in multiplication. Don't forget. So the value of x is 2. So take the 2, put it in a bracket. In the question it is given minus 3 you write. What is the value of y? It is 3. It is in multiplication. So I am writing the value of 3 in a multiplication. 2 2s are 4 minus you write 3 3s are 9. One is plus, the other one is minus. So subtract. 9 minus 4 gives you 5. The bigger number is minus. So write the minus sign. Okay. So the answer is minus 5. Next question is x plus y we need to find. What is the value of x is given? 2. What is the plus symbol given in the question? Value of y is 3. These are all given in the question. I am not taking newly anything. It is given in the question. If the value of x is 2 and the value of y means find the x and y. So 2 plus 3 gives you 5. This is how we can find. Next one, 4y minus x. So it is in multiplication. So 4 into the value of y is 3. So put in a bracket minus x value we need to write. What is the x value? It is 2. 4 3s are 12. Minus symbol you write 2. So 12 minus 2 gives you 10. 10 is the 12 is a bigger number. It is in plus. So we can show the answer also in a plus. So the answer is 10. Next, x plus 1 minus y. What is the x value? It is 2. And plus 1 you write as it is. And minus also you write as it is. Y is 3. First add this two number. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3. 1 plus number, 1 minus number. Cancelling means we will get the number as a answer as a 0. This is your assignment. An algebraic statement which is equivalent to the verbal statement 3 times the sum of. Could you remember we have done this type of question? 3 times means 3 sum of what? X and y. This is how we need to Right, where we have this option, yes, the first one is the correct answer. Okay, next one, the numerical coefficient of minus 7mn. In this, which is the numerical coefficient? Minus 7. So here we have the answer. Next one, choose a pair of like terms. Again, I'm telling you, only the variable should be same, not the numbers. Some of you may do the mistake. 7x and 7r is there. No, let me select that option. No, it is wrong. Only the variable should be same. Where we have the same variable? Only in this case we have. Here also 7 7 we have. Here also 4 4 we have. Then we will select all these options. No, variables must be same. So minus 4x and 7x. In this only the variables are same. So this is only like term. This is only like term. So this option only correct. Next one, value of 7a minus 4b. You need to find the value of 7a minus 4b. And the values of a and b is given. A value is 3, b value is 2. 7a is nothing but 7 into a minus 4 into b. What is the value of 7a here? It is 3. And minus 4 into value of b is 2. 7 3s are 21 minus 4 2s are 8. So 21 minus 8, when you subtract, we will get our answer as 13. So 2 is the correct answer. Next one. Again finding the value only it is given. Find if x is equal to 2. This is we have done it already. Just now we have done this. And here again, how to, now so far we just found the value of algebraic expression, how to find the value, finding the variable, constant, like term, numerical coefficient, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, terms, number of terms, types of term. These are all we have learnt. Now slowly we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic equation. First, what you need to do means, first move the like terms. Wherever if you see it is like term. See here, in this 3x plus 2y minus 2x plus 6. What are like terms here? Only 3x and 2x is a like term because it is with the variable x. So 3x, it is with the minus, so minus 2x. First step, move the like terms. Okay, where we are? These are all we have completed, and now this is what we are learning now. And here we have the first step, move the like terms. Yes, we have moved the like term. Let me take the pen too. We have moved the like term. Next, if this is add or subtract, we have to do it. Okay, we'll see one sum here. Add the term. See, first equation, it is 3p and 14p. It is not given anywhere plus. Since it is given the equation is add, we are going to add. So put plus mark. First add the coefficient. 3 and 14 gives you 17. It is variable p. So the answer is 17p. Next, add. What are the terms we have to add? M, 12m and 21m. So first add, there is, what is the coefficient of m? 1. There is no number. Take it as a 1. 1 plus 12 plus 21 and take the m as a common. So 1 plus 12, 13. 13 plus 21, take the m common. When you add, we will get 34m. So 34m is your answer. Next equation, 11 ABC, 5 ABC. Add the coefficient alone. 11 plus 5 is 16. The variables are ABC. So 16 ABC. How simply we have solved it. The next one, 12y minus y is given. Though it is addition sum, the values are given in a minus. So 12y minus y, if this is 12 you write the coefficient. What is the coefficient for this? Minus 1. Take the variable y as a common. 11y. This is how. So the answer is 11y. Next question, 4x 2x minus 7x. So first write the coefficient 4 plus 2 minus 7. The variable is x. Take it out. Add this number 4 plus 2 6 minus 7. Write the coefficient. 6 minus 7 is 1 because different sign. 7 is with the minus. So answer also minus. Bigger number is 7. No. Minus 1x or minus x also we can write. So this is how we can sign. Remaining sums we'll see in the next video. Thank you.